Here I am in Pattaya or Pattaya, whichever one you want to pronounce it. And I'm here at the Natural Beach Hotel. So let's go in, let's get checked in, and let's see what the vibe is. Right. Okay, so I'm all checked in. Now I have the key. So let's go to the room. Okay, so here I am inside of the room. Okay, pretty cool. Pretty cool. All right, so let's do a bit of a room tour, shall we? All right, so here we have the bed. Nice size, nice setup. Okay. And then here's the shower, toilet. Okay. So pretty cool. All right. Does what it does. Okay. Gives you all the basic needs. Closet, obviously security, or what's supposed to be security. And then there's a chair, closet, TV, fan, air condition. And then you have a, you have a balcony. Okay. Here's the balcony area. You can come outside and feel the fresh air. No problem. Okay. All right. So, now that we got all that going, okay. Well, lucky thing I brought mine. And they charge you, obviously, for all these things, but yes. But lucky thing I have my own. So, let's see. Let's see. So obviously when you turn on the lights, okay, looks all right. All right. So if you have dirty clothes, need to be washed, there it is, right there, okay? So they got you all covered. All right, so let me put down this bag. Let's get settled, and then let's head off and see what Pattaya has to offer. The journey continues. All right, people, so here's the front entrance to where I'm staying. Okay, and that's basically the basic promotion price. Where I'm staying is right there on the second floor. It's actually over there. Okay, let me come out the street so I don't get hit. All right, man. So, you guys want to come here and stay? This is a pretty nice place, very basic, very, very cheap. And literally when I tell you, just yards away from the beach. Matter of fact, let me show you. And also, speaking of this place, they also have a pool. So I'm gonna show you all the pool. Okay, it's actually right over there. There's the pool. All right, so you guys want to take a swim, in the pool, go ahead and swim, enjoy. I'll probably do that anyways. So that's the vibe. Okay, yeah, so generally people are very friendly, you know. I mean, the natural thing to say when you're out here is "Sawadee-ka," you know what I mean? And then you got to go. So the journey continues. All right. Right. So there's the beach, folks, in Pattaya City. Okay? That's how close the hotel is to the beach. So if you want to come, go to the beach, you want to take a dip, whatever you feel, or you just want to sit and just chill out, whatever the vibe is, definitely. So I'm going to do a few things and the journey continues. If you are interested in staying at the Natural Beach House Hotel, I'll put the link in the description so that you can click on it and you can, you know, stay a night. You could stay 2, however long you need to stay. So hope you enjoy Pattaya while you're out here, and the journey always continues.